Hi guys, today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of keeps closing on the application of WhatsApp. You will go to settings. In this page you will click on apps, default apps, app settings. All above here you will search about WhatsApp. As you send you will click. Here in this page of app info, you will click on first stop and you will click OK. Here you will enter to storage. Then we click on clear cache. In the end you can turn off your phone and you can restart your phone again. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time and thank you for your watching.